When you buy these fuels, add fuel treatment or octane boosters. They help to increase the quality of the fuel. Okay, and then make sure that you always clean your air filter, because if the air filter is dirty, it can carry debris and dirt into the turbocharger, from the turbocharger into the engine block, and it can affect the engine performance. Okay, and then lastly, this engine is not like your AMG engine and all of that Mercedes-Benz V6 276 and 272 engine. This engine is 274. It's a 2.0 liter engine, so it is not meant for racing. This engine is just for cruise. Just cruise, drive gently, and the engine can take you to wherever you want to go. But if you like to drive like King Kong, please go and buy an AMG, not this particular engine. I hope I've been able to enlighten you about this particular engine. So if you drive any Mercedes-Benz with 274 engine, take note of the things that I just mentioned, and you will enjoy the car. If you don't do that, you keep on buying engine and engine and engine. My name is Tony Empire, professional car doctor. Thank you so much.